What if all you knew was based on other people's thoughts, other people's experiences, and other people's way of doing things? Today's video is for women. Yes, I know, the feminist-hating ninja here today, talking to women for women. Men have always thought that in relationships, women knew their role and how to be a wife, a partner, a mother. But what if women didn't just know? I'm starting to notice that many women don't really have a clue on what to do, and wing it. I mean, if they turn to feminism for guidance, it shows they don't really know, and don't know what to do once in a relationship, to keep it healthy and strong. So I would like to mention a few things I hear on websites. How do I get my ex-boyfriend back? How do I keep him from leaving me? How do I get him to stop looking at other women? How do I keep my man happy? Well, ladies, I would like to tell you the following. 1. Never ask your female friends for male advice, go to your man and ask him directly. 2. It's okay to be sad and down at times. But you have to realize, if you're depressed, and if you're sad, your partner would be sad seeing you that way, and will become sad too. 3. Stop seeing sex as a way to reward your man, cause when you do that, you're treating a normal bonding experience between each other as a reward and you're capturing power. 4. Men have this really weird thing women don't know, which is as good as sex in their mind. Women can nearly make a man orgasm by just being a woman. What do I mean by this? Well, men will never cheat on a woman who takes care of him. If you bandage his wounds, tend to his hunger, love him better, lift his spirits, that no matter how down he is, he still has you. Any female thing that is truly female will arouse your man more than you putting on a sexy nightie and prancing through the house, seeking his lust and praise, which isn't something you want anyways. You want his love. You want him to cuddle you, say he loves you, and treat you good, and hold you near him, and know he loves you more than anything. This can be accomplished without degrading yourself or whore yourself out. By being attentive, caring, loving and lovable. Try seeing your man as this grumpy bear. What can you do to make him a happy bear? That gives you attention, affection, love, and praise. This may seem like a lot of work, but as they say, you reap what you sow. If you plant love, you get love. If you plant distrust, dishonesty, doubt, abuse, and disloyalty, this is what you get back. Because a relationship is only going to be as good as what you put in it. See a relationship as a tropical island. You and your partner are trapped on it. You need to survive, find food and shelter, warmth and security, and trust each other, cause only by teamwork will you get off the island and onto the mainland. Never try to fight for power. You don't want to introduce the power struggle into the relationship. As I stated before, I am a man who is disgusted with feminism. Feminism teaches women to use games on their men to keep him in control. And I can promise you, every man victim of this behavior will harm you in one way or another. Look, ladies, relations are simple. Give your love, undying love, and you shall receive it back. Give your undying caring, you shall receive it back. Fight your man, you get fight back. Anything you introduce to the relationship can and may affect your outcome. So treat your relationship as sacred. Don't threaten it, don't use it, don't harm it, but nurture it, support it. Be there for it. When you get together with another human being, you have made the decision to go head on through life with this person. Do not rebel against your man. If you even think of hurting him, out of anger, jealousy, whatever, then you best be ready to deal with the consequences of your actions. When you step into the relationship, it's you, the man in the relationship. Don't forget this. Many women tend to the man, or just the relationship, yet you need to tend to both. And stop listening to feminists. The word feminist says it all. Cares only for women. This is fine if you're a lesbian, cause that's where their rules would only work, not with men, cause men don't live by their rules, and it doesn't apply to them. And this is why people see feminism as a lesbian cult way of life. If you want a happy home, love your man, trust your man, and most of all, show your man as often as you can. You love him and only him, go that extra mile, you'll reap it all back when it's harvesting time. For now, take care. Prepare and be aware. Love your man as if he is your everything. And he will treat you like you're his everything, simple as that.